In today's corporate world, business functions are more siloed than ever, with functions like marketing, human resources, operations, engineering, and logistics becoming more and more specialized. Without a team to bridge the gap, to marry quantitative and qualitative data, and to assess the business problems and systems from a holistic perspective, corporations might fail. And those people who are silently shaping the way that businesses operate and making decisions across the globe, those are industrial engineers. Just as business functions are becoming more and more specialized, businesses and companies' access to data has only grown in response. Industrial engineers possess the skills to clean, sort, and assess data in meaningful ways, enabling them to shape patient healthcare outcomes or to make sure that your last-second Amazon Prime order arrives on time. Simply put, industrial and systems engineering is concerned with the design, improvement, and installation of integrated systems of people, materials, information, equipment, and energy. And if we left it at that, you might not know if you'd want to be an industrial engineer. Rather, industrial engineers like Keegan, who work for the Tampa Bay Rays, were tasked with understanding how certain free agents might increase their team's chances of winning the World Series. Or, like Allie, who's tasked with understanding the right price for toys at Disney World so that everyone is happy. Industrial engineers at their core are problem solvers equipped with a variety of tools like data science, coding, simulation, decision analysis, and much, much more. And at this point, you're probably wondering, what's in it for me? Sure, you have a couple of alumni who have a couple of cool jobs, but why would I really want to be an industrial engineer? And the truth is that industrial engineering is one of the most versatile degrees that you can receive at the University of Arkansas. Aside from being located in a logistics hub, the University of Arkansas has one of the premier industrial engineering degrees in the country. With an incredible opportunities to study whatever you want, whether specializing in consulting, operations research, simulation, coding, or whatever else you need, IEs inhabit literally every industry. And with a well-rounded degree, IEs are well equipped to assess markets and launch their own businesses as well. Or, like Tim Cook, reinvent them. That's right, the guy who inherited a company from a college dropout? Yup, Tim Cook is an industrial engineer, who you can thank for the Apple Watch, the usable version of Apple Maps, and of course for bringing the first company to $1 trillion valuation. And with faculty across a broad range of industries from transportation and logistics to healthcare, to simulation, to manufacturing, to coding, your degree is not just worth more, but you're more empowered to get your degree. For those students who are not only looking to sharpen their technical skills, but also drive business growth and change, industrial engineering opens doors to manufacturing, healthcare, defense, aerospace, data analytics, finance, logistics, retail, e-commerce, and even human resources. So wherever you see yourself making an impact, industrial engineering can be your first step. Finding a major to call home is an important decision, and so over this series of videos, we'll demonstrate how IE coursework, its professors, its programs, and more will prepare you for your career and your future ahead.